Hi, welcome to step 2 of You Are Homely. So let's work on your right hand because right now you should be able to play this. Alright, so with our right hand, we can do thirds now, which is like this. A and C sharp, B and C, C sharp and E, they went to D and F sharp. Now can we go to E and G sharp, then F sharp and A. So we've got two new ones. We have E and G sharp. And then we're going to move from there to F sharp and A. E and G sharp, F sharp and A. So your exercise will be to do thirds all the way. Practice with me. Okay, ready for next one? There are two new ones. E and G sharp, then F sharp and A. Let's try again. Okay, please pause the video, try that many times, and then we're going to try and do backwards. Pause the video. Okay, let's try to do it backwards, but to help you, we're going to go forwards first, then backwards. Let's go slowly. Two new ones, and then back. Take your time. That's the end of this lesson. That's the task of this lesson, and let me put this into perspective. 3, 4, 1, let's together. That's what you done last time. Then do it again, all of them. What happened with my left hand? My left hand changed to D. When did it change to D? Let's see. When I got to this D and F sharp, I moved my left hand to D. So to end this lesson and to be ready for video 3, you should be able to do this. Practice with me. Let's do it from the start. This may be a bit too fast for you, so I'm going to try a bit more slower, just to be fair. 2, 3, 4, let's start. And back. 4, 1, again. The whole thing now. Change. Go to D and F hand. Continue. time.